Hello and welcome to Unpacked Hospitality. I'm Alex.
And I'm Hanna. Hi, everyone.
Hanna, I love French food, so today I baked my own croissant for breakfast.
Wow, Alex, that is difficult to make. Was it crispy and delicious?
No, it was thick, heavy, and it tasted exactly like normal bread. I don't understand. I used flour and water. What did I do wrong?
Oh, Alex, you forgot the most important ingredient. A croissant is a pastry, not a normal bread. You need a lot of butter.
Butter? Is that the secret?
Yes, pastry and bread are very different. Today, we are going to learn the sweet secrets of the pastry kitchen.
To learn how to make it perfectly, our reporter Sarah is talking to Chef Pierre. Listen carefully for these words: flaky, crumbly, and hollow.
Hello, Chef Pierre. What exactly is a pastry, and how is it different from normal bakery bread?
Hello, Sarah. A pastry uses a lot of fat, like butter. Normal bread uses yeast and low fat. Because of the butter, pastry is crispy and very flaky.
There are so many kinds of pastry in the hotel. Can you give us some examples?
Yes, we have 5 main types. First is puff pastry. It is very flaky with many thin layers. Examples are sausage rolls and apple turnovers.
Yum! What is number 2?
Second is shortcrust pastry. It does not have layers. It is crumbly and breaks easily like a biscuit. We use it to make fruit pies, fruit tarts, and quiche.
What about the third one?
Third is choux pastry. It is very light and hollow inside. Examples are sweet cream puffs and chocolate eclairs.
And the fourth?
Fourth is Danish pastry. It has layers, but we add yeast so it is softer. Examples are cherry danishes and cheese danishes.
Wait, my friend Alex tried to make a croissant. Is that number 5?
Yes, the 5th is croissant pastry. It is very special. We fold the butter into the dough many times. Examples are plain croissants, almond croissants, and chocolate croissants.
5 amazing pastries. Thank you, Chef Pierre.
See, Alex? A croissant is a very special pastry. You have to fold the butter many times.
Now I know. My poor, sad bread was definitely not a croissant. Let's look at the vocabulary. Chef Pierre said puff pastry is very flaky. F-L-A-K-Y.
Flaky means it breaks into many thin, light, and crispy pieces when you bite it. If you eat a flaky croissant, you will drop small pieces on your shirt.
Next, he said short crust pastry is crumbly. C-R-U-M-B-L-Y.
Crumbly means it breaks into small, dry pieces very easily, just like a hard cookie or a biscuit. Fruit tarts have a crumbly base.
Finally, he said choux pastry is hollow inside. H-O-L-L-O-W.
Hollow means empty on the inside. Because it is empty, chefs can fill the cream puffs with sweet vanilla cream.
Exactly. Okay, listeners, it is time for our pastry quiz. Let's see if you remember Chef Pierre's examples.
Chef Pierre talked about a crumbly pastry that does not have layers. It is used to make a very famous fruit dessert.
Here is the question. Which type of pastry is crumbly and is used to make fruit pies and tarts? A. Short crust pastry. B. Puff pastry. C. Choux pastry.
Do you remember the answer? Is it A, B, or C? Please write your answer in the comments section below.
We will give a heart to all the correct answers.
Now, let's recap the vocabulary from today's episode. First, flaky, breaking easily into thin, crispy layers.
Crumbly, breaking easily into small, dry pieces.
And hollow, empty on the inside.
That's all for today. Go enjoy a nice chocolate eclair with your coffee.
See you next time on Unpacked Hospitality. So long.
So long.